staff of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Akwa Ibom State, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, Akwa Ibom song, Akwa Ibom song, Ide is song, Ibanu yo ise. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I am indeed very honored by your presence today. But first, to thank the chairman and CEO of AIT Channel Television, Arise Television, talking of the High Chief, Alero Dokwesi, Chief John Momo, my in-law, our own Duke of Delta State, Unduka Obagwena, for the coverage, as a mark, as you told me, of appreciation to the commission for the job that all of us, the staff of INEC, the people of Akwa Ibom State, the commission have been doing to give meaning and purpose to the ballot as the best means of expression of the will of the people in a democracy. Indeed, I am touched by your support and prayers that have sustained me in the last 5 years. The audio you listened to a while ago was an attempt, in the course of serving the fatherland here in Akwa Ibom State, to terminate my life. That God is greater than any other person. Because we knew that the job we have been called to do here will serve the majority of the people of Akwa Ibom State. And we knew that when they are rejoicing here, they will be rejoicing in heaven. And that is why God spared my life and the life of those who work with me. Today is my turn, an opportunity to say thank you for the journey of progress that we have traveled in the last 5 years, to demonstrate that the effective power to govern must come from credible elections, wherein ballot papers and result sheets are delivered at the polling unit to determine who becomes what. That is what we have done in the last 5 years. Indeed, in life, everything that has a beginning must have an end. The Holy Book tells us, Ecclesiastes chapter 3, that there is a time for everything under the sun. A time to be appointed to serve the fatherland, a period to do the job, and a time to say goodbye. No one stayed in a job forever. It is for a time. And so, I cannot thank you enough for the journey we have embarked on for the past 5 years. Today, it is day to say it is over and to bid all of you goodbye.